In this video, you will learn how to print using the Smart Device connector. Scroll to and select the Ricoh Connector app on your smart device. Scroll to the device that you want to connect to. If not connected, you will need to connect your device. After connected, you can print, scan, fax, copy, or view favorites. We will select Print in this example. When selecting Print, you can print files directly from your smart device by browsing out to the folder that the file resides in and then choosing the file or files that you would like to print. Then select Apply. Once selected, you can press Print Settings to change the number of copies, color, if it is a color MFP, or black and white, paper size, orientation, two-sided or one-sided, staple, print, quality, job type, or locked print. Make your selections and select Start to print.